Hello and welcome to my Vidnami review. My name is Carl Johnson from Financial Freedom Academics, and I just bought this software myself last week to do a little experiment. I just wanted to take any text, in this case I want a motivational text, I put it into the software and it spit out a high quality motivational video for YouTube. This is absolutely insane and a big game changer because this is an AI software that create high quality videos based on your words. So you can take any text on the World Wide Web to create like YouTube how to videos like these.
With summer break just around the corner, here's our 5 top tips for traveling on a budget. Tip number 1. Book flights online using a VPN. Prices often...
Or you want to launch a product and you want to create high quality sales video, just grab your script and put it into the software to create sales videos like these.
Are you struggling to eat well while working in a stressful job? If so, you're not alone. Healthy eating is one of the toughest things to do when you're constantly surrounded by quick and easy junk food. When you're under the pump at work,
or you want to create YouTube ads and you just take a high quality script and put it into the Vidnami software and they will create a video like this. Everything is done for you. The scenes, the voiceover, just everything. Just put it into the software and they spit it out. So you can take this to create your YouTube channel, your niche YouTube channel, to sell affiliate products or to do AdSense profits, or you just sell these videos on Fiverr and the people, they pay a lot of money for YouTube ads, for Facebook ads, for YouTube videos, and you just take their text, put it into Vidnami and sell it on Fiverr for a lot of money. So this will save you a lot of time, a lot of money, and even make you a lot of money if you use it the right way. And I want to cover you with my insane bonus package, so watch this video till the end. I will show you everything, including my insane bonus package. You really don't want to miss out. We will see each other after the intro. If you have any questions about Vidnami along this video, just comment them below this video in the comment area and I'm happy to answer every single question. Just ask your question and post them down below and I will answer them. Also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel as I have a lot of valuable tutorials and you don't want to miss out. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Now we will dive into this amazing Vidnami review. Welcome back to my Vidnami review. Welcome back to the Vidnami dashboard. I will show you everything, all the functions and features, how you can use Vidnami to save a lot of money, to save a lot of time and to make a lot of money. I will show you the sales page, their dashboard, and most important, I will show you my insane bonuses, which will get you way faster and way better than anybody else will get because I created it exclusive for this product to make it even more powerful. And if you decide to get access to Vidnami throughout this video, just click one of these buttons. The review page is below this video when you're on YouTube or you're already on this video and watching on this page and watching this video, and you will just click one of these buttons here and I will send you, or you will send me the receipt that you made the payment through this email, and I will send you my bonus page with all these bonuses we will go through in a few minutes. But that's the Vidnami sales page. As you can see, the dashboard. As you can see here, a lot of awesome templates. You can just click on one, see how it will looks like when you put your tags into it, and then you will just use this template and go to this different steps, which is script. Then the AI will choose the scenes for you based on the script words or the text words, but you can still change them. I will show you how this looks like in a minute. Then you get the voiceover, which will be a voiceover created by Vidnami, or you can do your same voiceover, like Vidnami will guide you through this, or you can just upload your voiceover file when you decided to outsource your voiceover. Then you have to preview and then we download it, and then you already have your video. It's so cool and so simple. Like, I created a video like this just last week and I was so proud of this. Like, look at this. I think it's absolutely insane. I just took one text, put it into this, and that's it. And they create all the video, and usually it takes me days to create everything, and I always redo it, and with Vidnami do it in a high quality the first time. Right, so you can do presenter videos, you can do ads like Facebook ads, you can do YouTube ads, and just get a high converting script, copy it and put it into Vidnami, and they will spit out all this high converting stuff. All the video materials done for you, it's all inside Vidnami, and you can use it on your own, or you can sell it to your clients who will absolutely pay a lot of money for this. Because let me show you something. I outsourced 2 videos 2 weeks ago, and I paid $160 for each of them. It was this one and this one, and it was like $320 for both. And with Vidnami it will cost me nothing. Like, this is absolutely insane. I wasted some money, but it's okay. Like, it's just learning money, let's call it like this. If you decide to make to launch a digital product, it's a pain in the ass to create these videos, because, well, you need to do all on your own. And with Vidnami, you just take your script, put it into Vidnami, and that's it. And they will create beautiful sales video for you. You just put the text into there, and that's everything. You can create course and training videos, like for YouTube, or if you decide to launch a course, you can just put all the text here, and they will create a video for you, and so much more. And that's Vidnami. Let's show me the example from my motivation video I did. So that's the motivation video I did, and here are all the different scenes, and I can still edit it, but Vidnami did it for me. I just put it in the script. Then I had a look at the scenes. Then I put the voice over here. I could have an auto voice from Vidnami. I can record my own voice track, or can upload a voice track. Super simple stuff. Then you have to preview, and then you download it. I absolutely love this, how easy it was. Okay, that's everything about the Vidnami dashboard. As I said, you can use it in so many different ways. Like, you can just create your own niche YouTube channel and get all these videos, and get our affiliate link from ClickBank. And let's say you want to have our product about dog training, and you get this one. It has a great gravity. You just take your link, generate your link, you just shorten it with Bitly or whatever, and then you create a video around it, like, see what the product solves. Let's say the product prevent your dog from barking, or how to make your dog stop barking. Sorry for my accent here, but you will just find a keyword. You will do a keyword research with IQ, and then you find a keyword you can rank for, and you will just take this keyword, go to Google, find an article, and put it into Vidnami. Vidnami will create the content for you. They will create a video around your words. They will create a dog training video, and it will look absolutely engaging and amazing. It's like, it's so cool what they did here. Or let's say you decide to sell this video. You go to Fiverr.com, and let's say you sell Facebook ad videos. Oh, there was a wrong grammar here, but you want to create Facebook ad video ads, and they charge a lot of money for this. And you can do it with YouTube ads, and you can do it with YouTube video, or just say you create a gig around you create a gig around putting our text to video. Like, I will convert your text into an amazing video. That's what you can do with Fiverr.com, and you will make a lot of money, and you don't do the work because you only get the text from your client, put into Vidnami and give him the video. And let's say you can make with a premium gig, they charge $150 for 5 videos. That's a lot of money, and it's only 45 seconds. The only thing you do is getting the script, put it into Vidnami, and that's it. Absolutely amazing what the Vidnami will do for you, and you can make a lot of money in so many ways. As I said, create your YouTube channel and go for affiliate products, sell YouTube videos on Fiverr, Facebook ads on Fiverr, YouTube ads on Fiverr. Your clients will love you for creating all these videos, and you will make lots of money, right? So you're probably convinced by now how amazing Vidnami is and what it can do for you. But to make the decision even easier for you, I will show you my absolutely insane bonus package now, which I created for you to make Vidnami even better than it already is. So, my first bonus is how to get your first viral video on YouTube and how to reach 100k subscribers. So I created a lot of niche YouTube channel. I don't have 100,000 subscribers yet, but I'm on a good way. So, and I know the hacks, and I will show you all the hacks to make that many subscribers in a not too long time. There's a few things you have to consider, but I will show you everything. Then I will give you my checklist I always use when I upload a video. Let me show you something. Like, let's go to new incognito window. Let's go to youtube.com. And let me show you how powerful ranking is. Let's say you want to sell a high-ticket affiliate marketing course, and we go for best affiliate marketing course 2021. And as you can see, I'm here, and this will made me a lot of money because I just created this video a few weeks ago, already made 307 views, and I think straight from the videos it was 2 high-ticket sales, which is super cool. People searching for this one, and they will get this video, and they will go to my review, and all good. Then I will give you the exact checklist I use every time I upload these videos to rank that high. I will give you a list of the most profitable YouTube niches for your YouTube cash cow channel, which means you basically find a micro niche and create content around this micro niche and get AdSense profits and our affiliate marketing profits from ClickBank. And those profits are around 50% to 75% commission per sale, which is very good. And you just get your content created by Vidnami, you rank it, and you put it into your cash cow channel, and it's all good then, right? But you need to be niched here. That's very important. Then I will give you my product I've launched a few weeks ago, where I show you how to make other people promote your content to their audience for free, and they love doing it. And you do it by our very convincing way of seducing them to do it. Super nice stuff. I put a lot of effort into this, so that's definitely something you will absolutely love. They will promote your YouTube videos or whatever you want them to promote for free. I will give you my hidden sources of royalty-free music for your videos. Don't get me wrong, Vidnami will do it for you, but maybe you want to have even more music background videos. I will show you how you find very, very good royalty-free music for your videos. I will give you my #1 targeted traffic on autopilot tool. I've created it. It's actually together with this product I've launched. Those two belong together, but very powerful. You just take your YouTube video or your Fiverr gig, you put it into this tool, and you will get targeted traffic on autopilot, which is super, super valuable. Everyone knows traffic is the most important thing when it comes to making money online, and yeah, it's basically the blood of our business, right? And my last bonus is how to sell these videos on Fiverr. As I just told you, you can make a lot of money with selling these videos on Fiverr, and you actually don't need to do anything, because you just take the script from the clients and Vidnami will do the rest and you send it back. It's like outsourcing it for zero cost, and that's absolutely amazing. So that's my bonuses, and as I said, you just give, I forgot one bonus, how to create a good looking thumbnail. Thumbnails are very, very important, because if you don't have a good looking thumbnail, nobody will click on your videos and you won't make any money. And that's super important, to have a good looking thumbnail that make people click on your video. And I will show you how to make a good looking thumbnail. Well, now, like, to get my bonuses, after you bought Vidnami via this link, you will get a receipt, a payment receipt, and you just send this receipt to this email, carls@financialfreedomacademics.com, and I will send you my bonus delivery page where I will give you all these bonuses. And I can just repeat it, how cool this is. Like, when I launch a product, it's so time consuming and so expensive to create all this material, the content video, the sales video, the ads. And here you just take your script, or you copy your script and customize it for your product, and then you put it into Vidnami and they spit it out in high quality, which everybody will absolutely love and seduce and convince to buy and all this stuff. And also you can create highly valuable YouTube videos, tutorials, get an article, put it into Vidnami, and they will spit out high quality videos. And as I said, I just bought this product last week, and I was so amazed, and that's why I decided to convince you to also get it, because why shouldn't you do it? It's one of the most game-changing tools I've seen in months. So as I said, I use the software myself because it gives me so many benefits. Like, I can create those videos in seconds for my other niche channels. I just get a text, put it into the software, and rank those videos. Super nice stuff, and I will show you how to rank those videos within my bonus package. You can create a Fiverr gig and sell these videos for a lot of money. There's a high demand on the market for those videos. You can sell Facebook ads, you can sell YouTube ads, and so much more. So there's a high demand, you can make a lot of money. I will show you how to sell this via Fiverr. A lot of cool stuff. Check out my bonus package. Get your big discount, get your free trial from the review page, which is below this video, or when you already went on the review page, you will find these blue buttons there before the countdown hits 0. Very important. Also, make sure to hit to my YouTube channel, because I have a lot of valuable tutorials you don't want to miss out on. There's also a playlist with a lot of make money online methods you don't want to miss out. Participate my training where I show you how to make $2,265 in one day, and you can copy the exact system. And if you have any questions about Vidnami, just comment in below this video in the comment section. I'm happy to help you out with every single question. And make sure to hit me a like button, because it took me a lot of research and creating this content, so I would highly appreciate a like. I wish you all the best. My name is Carl. Bye bye.